Hey guys, this is Satyajeet and you're watching the unboxing and the initial impressions of the JBL Reflect Mini Bluetooth earphones. So without further ado, let's roll in the intro. Let's now straight jump to the unboxing. The packaging of the headset is really well done. It's neat. After you open the top, the first thing you're greeted with are the headphones. You also get a micro USB cable for charging the device. Then you get some documentations like the user manual and the warranty card. You also get extra ear tips and wing tips which are also neatly packed. The design is similar to other Bluetooth sports earphones. It has two in-ear headphones connected by a short cable which sits around the back of your neck. There is a 3-button remote control which just sits below the left earpiece, so it is easily within reach and also keeps the microphone close to your mouth so that you can take calls. The cable is of good quality and the earphones are water resistant. The highlighting feature in design are the reflective cables which glow when the light hits them. Now let's talk sound quality. I did not spend a lot of time with these earphones yet, but the limited time I was able to spend with these earphones, I was impressed. The sound stage is flat, which is the way I like it. If you're coming from a Sony kind of bass heavy headphones, these are not for you. These headphones have a flat sound stage. That means they have a perfect balance between the lows, mids and highs. The mids and the highs are really well pronounced and it has adequate bass, but the bass does not overpower the mids and highs. These are Bluetooth earphones, so they give you great mobility which wired earphones cannot provide you. The company promises 8 hours of battery life for these earphones, but I think they'll last for around 5 to 6 hours on a single charge. The price printed on the box is Rs 5,999, but it retails for around 3,200 rupees on Amazon. So that was pretty much it for the unboxing and the initial impressions of the JBL Reflect Mini Bluetooth earphones. Hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more awesome tech content. Thank you very much for watching this video. This has been Satyajeet. Have a great day.